In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the VLC error log location and how to use it to troubleshoot playback issues, crashes, or network stream problems. If you've ever had VLC fail to play a file or show a vague error message, the log is where all the real details live. By the end of this video, you'll know how to view VLC error messages in real time and how to save them to a file for deeper analysis or sharing with support. If this helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to view the VLC Messages log directly inside the app. Start by opening VLC Media Player like you normally would. Once VLC is open, go up to the top menu bar, click on Tools, and then select Messages. This opens the Messages window, which is essentially VLC's live error and debug console. At the bottom left of this window, you'll see a setting called verbosity. This controls how detailed the log messages are. If you just want general information, set this to level 1, which is info. If you want detailed error and debugging information, set it to level 2, which is debug. Now, with the messages window still open, try repeating the action that caused the problem. For example, open the video file that wouldn't play, or try connecting to the network stream that failed. As you do this, you'll see messages start appearing in real time inside the window. These messages can show codec errors, file access problems, network timeouts, and many other useful details. This is the fastest way to see what VLC is struggling with, especially when you're troubleshooting an issue on the spot. Next, let's talk about how to save the VLC error log to a file, which is useful if you want to review it later or send it to someone else. To do this, open VLC and go to Tools, then click Preferences, or simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. In the Preferences window, look at the bottom left corner and change Show Settings from Simple to All. This unlocks the advanced configuration options. In the left sidebar, scroll down and expand the Advanced section, then click on Logger. On the right side, you'll see an option called Log to File. Check this box to enable file logging. Below that, you'll find the Log File Name field. Here, you can type in the full path and file name where you want VLC to save the log. For example, you might use something like c:\users\yourusers\documents\vlclog.txt. You can also click the Browse button if you prefer to choose a location visually. After that, set the verbosity level to 2, which is debug, so you get the most detailed information possible. Once everything is set, click Save. It's important to restart VLC after this step because the logger won't start writing to the file until VLC is reopened. After restarting, use VLC as normal and reproduce the error. VLC will automatically write all log messages to the file you specified. And that's it. Now you know where to find the VLC error log, how to view it live, and how to save it to a file for deeper troubleshooting. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.